How to remove indicators on TradingView.com. One problem that I see too many people have on TradingView.com is they do not have the knowledge to remove the added indicators on TradingView.com. Here in this tutorial, I will tell you exactly how to do that, and I will do that easily. So first off, just go to your favorite browser and then go to TradingView.com. As always, for more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure that you subscribe to our channel. And then from TradingView.com, select the chart from the navbar. And right now, as you can see, I am now viewing the Netflix chart. Right now, I have 4, or rather 3 indicators that are active on the chart. To remove said indicators, you can go to the indicator properties here. Or if it is slated on the different split, just go to the top left of the indicator and then choose remove with a cross icon right here. Close it. Or you can also do something like this. Just right click on any part of the chart and then choose remove indicators. Once you do that, your indicators will be cleared and your chart should look cleaner right now. And that's pretty much how you remove indicators on TradingView.com. If you want to see more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure that you subscribe, like, and comment onto our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topics that you want us at Tech Tricks to cover, please do not hesitate to put it on the comment section down below. Cheers, and I hope it helps. Take care, YouTube. Bye.